Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kitazi and welcome back to another episode of a taste test. Number so today I'm going to review something that is really special, like literally special. Hold on for a sec. As I'm going to buy these cans and the others will be on the next episode, alright? Stay tuned. Alright, stay tuned. So I'm going to take one, which is this one right here. And I was very curious about this. It's called the Coca-Cola in cherry, the cherry flavored Coke. I bought this from the G-Stop again. I really love G-Stop now. I love G-Stop than Daiso Japan. Sorry, Daiso Japan. Because G-Stop has a lot of Japanese products that I need. Actually, it was really convenient store, which is you can buy something in foods. And that's not only in Japan stuff, but I saw something like in Korean. I saw something like in Mexican, like Tostitos, like salsa. I saw in salsa. That might be up next that I'm going to make a plan, you know, probably soon. And there are also samyang and a lot, like literally a lot. You stupid. Of course, I bought this one. It's just 39 pesos. That's what I saw on the price. And the others, I'm going to test this one as well soon. So that is why I'm going to start with this. And I'm very curious. What does it taste of this cherry? Is it good or is it terrible? It's like, is it bussin' or disgusting? And I want to give it a try for my mom as well, if she's really like it or not. If I really like it, I'm going to add with ice, like, you know, relaxing. You know what? I should just take a picture for this one. I'm going to make this a thumbnail and I'm going to share it with my brothers as well. The thing about this is really a limited drink. Yeah, recycle me. See, of course I will recycle, even though I already threw the other cans like in the previous taste test. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to send this to my brothers. And even my mother as well. Oh no need about my mother because she will come here later. So for now, Coca-Cola cherry. I am so excited to taste one. Alright, let's do it. Oh yeah. First, let's smell it. It smells different. It smells like a bubble gum. I'm going to use this shot glass for a while just to see what color of this soda. It looks like a ordinary Coke. Yeah, it's just a little, looks like an ordinary Coke, but whenever you smell and taste, it's different. So this is not alcohol, okay? Even though I don't taste mojitos yet. So cheers. It tastes like bubblegum. I forgot what is it called. It's like, it tastes like a paint. Yeah, the paint bubblegum. You already know about this from the Filipinos, yeah. There you go, pintura bubblegum. Oh, there you go. It's called pintura bubblegum. Yeah, for those, it tastes like a pintura bubblegum, and this is what it tastes of this cherry Coca-Cola. I like it, so I'm going to add with ice. Hold on for a sec. Well, yeah, it's not that bad. And I'm sorry, I prefer the original Coke because I really love this. So as for the cherry, it might be okay. Maybe I should buy it soon, you know? I don't know. I don't know if I could buy it soon. Depends on my own cravings, you know? Okay, I'm going to rate this 8 out of 10. I like it. If a Coke is a 10 out of 10, I give this an 8 because I love it. After I finish this, I'm not going to throw it away because he said it's recycle me. See you again soon. I'll see you. Then I'm going to buy it again. Maybe soon if I have a craving.
3 weeks later.
And today, check this. And yes, if you recognize this white bag, it was from G-Stop. And yeah, you know, I made a mistake. Instead, I'm going to bought this in cash. I was supposed to buy this with a card because I still have a money, and it was too late because I was planning to buy. Well, I'm talking about this one with Coca-Cola, but there is a vanilla flavor. There is the cherry flavor, and now there is a vanilla, and it was expensive than this one. And technically, I bought this. Yeah, you can see this marshmallow. Yeah, so it's called the Artist Marshmallows Limited Edition Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, Zero Calories Cola, which is the watermelon strawberry flavor. You can see right there. So yeah, I'm going to collect this one as my Coca-Cola collection. Yeah. And I'm thirsty as well because I'm walking home. Oh, now smell. Oh, I can smell. I can smell like the root beer. So let's pour it out. Yeah. Alright, it looks like ordinary Coke. See? So now, cheers. Let's drink it. Whoa! I can taste both of them. Wow! How did it made like this? That's awesome. I love this one. I like that one. Oh my god. I know it's really strange with the looks from the Coca-Cola. You can see, like, this is the ordinary Coke, but unless if you smell it and taste it, it was different. And I like it. I'm going to rate this 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm going to rate this 9 out of 10. I like this one. It does. I'm going to finish this one because I'm thirsty. So yeah. There you go. Alaskan bottle. I'm pretty sure this is cost me a 45 pesos. But the other one, the vanilla one, is 70, and it's only have 3 cans, and I wanted to buy it as much as possible. And yeah, I'm too late because I bought this in money instead of a card. Because if I use this as a card, I still have a money to buy it. What was I thinking? I'm so stupid AF. Maybe soon. I hope that I can reach that. Otherwise, might be no more. Because you know, just like the sriracha, might be no more, and then there is a small one available. But I don't think that might be happen on Coca-Cola. I saw they still have a cherry, but think about it. If it's empty, there might be no more, you know? Just like the right and light that I just bought for the previous one.
much later.
Alright, so today I have a new one now. And finally, I bought it. Do you know what it is? Huh? Do you know what it is? Look at me. Look at me right now, huh? And you notice it was from G-Stop. So much G-Stop. And here it is! It was a Coca-Cola vanilla. You know, I expected that you really love vanilla. There you go. I know you guys love vanilla. And I love vanilla too. And you're going to say, haha, I'm basic because you love vanilla, especially ice cream, you know. And now, I'm thirsty, even though I just walked home. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh yes. Alright, first let's smell it. It smells like ordinary Coke, but with like zero sugar. Or it's made like a Diet Coke. It has calories anyway. Let's pour it out. Okay, it looks like an ordinary Coke, literally. So let's taste. Cheers. Wow! Oh my! It tastes like a Coke float. If you don't know what this Coke float is, it has a Coke with a ice cream, like a vanilla ice cream. I can taste it. What the heck? Aw, man. Kita mo to? Failed. Kakahintay ko lang ng matagal. Hindi pa rin. Ano ba yan? Nakawaste lang na rin ng oras. I like it. Okay. I would say this is delicious. You know, I noticed something that there is a small bottle, which is a lemon flavor from straight from Japan, but it's expensive as hell. It says it's 142 pesos. I'm starting to get curious, but it's expensive as hell. You know, I recommend not to buy it. It's better to buy with a 1 liter Coke or 1.5 liters or 2 because it's really worth than this can. You know, I just want to buy this because for the content. Besides, you know, I'm making a content and have money cause, you know, profit like that, or stocks or something like that. I like this one too. I'm going to rate this 9.5 out of 10. You know, it's really delicious. It's almost, you know, close for the Coke float. It might be better if we add some more ice cream for this one to make it like perfectly Coke float, but in vanilla Coke flavor. I like it. Now I have 3 collections of Coca-Cola, except one, technically, except for the bottle. So you see, you notice something, that both of them, it was great. It's still, I really love this one than this one, because whenever I taste this, it's like almost as tastes as juice, you know. And as for this one, I can taste the actual marshmallow, no, watermelon and strawberry flavor, but I thought it was marshmallow flavor. So yeah, those are the bottles, special bottles from Coca-Cola. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I say to you all, and it's sayonara, arigato.
So sad how you face and ask you
Simulan na ako. Simulan na talaga ako, no? Diba?